going on, guys? We're going to take down our swarm trap here. We set this up about 8 days ago, and yeah, I think it's ready to move now. So let's take it down. Just going to tape it so the entrance isn't just straight duct tape and they get caught into it. Oh, nice, sun's coming out. Sun is coming out. Alright, let me get my gloves on. This is the first time I've ever caught a wild swarm, so hopefully all goes well here. Probably should have used a strap. It'd be a lot easier. But I was in a jam. I was trying to set this up as fast as I could. Alright. Got free. Oh, gentle. Yeah, I think putting a strap next time would be a lot better. But we got it. So now we're gonna go take it over to the hive where we're gonna transfer it. Alright, we're gonna set this here and grab our other hive. Alright. Had this left over from my hives from last year. I had 2 hives that didn't make it, so we're going to be reusing some of the comb. Just picking the best frames that I find. Let's sneak that in here. Alright, it's time. Let's see what we got. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that comb. Looks like they've been pretty busy. Oh, that's incredible. Look at that. I built that up in 8 days. Oh, that's incredible. Let's get a close-up of that. Look at that. That's all been built out within 8 days. That's incredible. Just look at that. Pretty calm, to be honest. Alright, those frames, those are the ones we're going to take. So hopefully we don't damage the queen or anything. Alright, there we go. There we go. Look at that. See if we got any. Oh yeah, we got brood. Look at that. Got brood in there. Let's set that in. So I'm gonna make sure that the honey one, the frame with all the honey on it, we're gonna keep that on the wall and all the way on the inside. just like how we set it up in here. It's a little easier to get out. So it was a full rack, so looks like they did some good damage to it. See? Quite a bit. We've had wildfires from Canada, so the last few days, so they weren't out foraging, so they just kept hammering on the honey that I supplied them with. So let's get this in here. Push this in. Push this other one in. What we should do with this comb. Like I said before, I never has successfully caught a swarm before, so I didn't expect them to build that much already. This is just a super cool sight to see. Wild comb. That's awesome. I think I'm just going to shake them in. I'm just worried that this is going to, whoop, let's see, it's folding. That's what I was afraid of. Oh, shit. I don't like that. Actually surprised how stable that is on there. Just trying to get as much on there as possible. I think I'm just going to leave that out and put a frame in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But I will know for the next time. Alright, we're going to shake these guys in here. This here. And then we'll put our lid on. Got our inner cover, still going to keep closed off. Actually, no, I'll keep it open. And we'll put a lid on. That's it. This I'll just leave out. I can take that back. I can reuse it. Just need to go grab a entrance reducer, help them out a little bit. Basically, I'm trying to make sure that it's actually pitched forward this time, because I feel like I lost one of my hives over the winter. It was pitched in the opposite direction, and when I opened it in the springtime, it was all molded over. So I'm trying to make sure I'm staying aware of how the base plate lays, and hopefully I don't lose my bees this year. So we're back at the scene of the where the storm trap was, and it looks like some of them are flying back. So probably super confused. I'm gonna try quite a few of them. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but see how they're waggling around. Alright, let's leave that